मैंने कुछ देर पहले एक टीवी चैनल पर देखा है, गिरावट की कोई हद नहीं है, गिरावट की कोई हद नहीं है। आपके एक बड़े नेता एक सांसद के असंसदीय व्यवहार को वीडियो कर रहे थे। आपसे भी बहुत बड़े नेता हैं वो। मैं तो यही कह सकता हूं, सद्बुद्धि आए, कुछ तो सीमा होती होगी, कुछ जगह तो बख्शो, कुछ जगह तो बख्शो। ऑफ द काइंड ऑफ रेस्पॉन्स that is against this institution in the mind of the people. And we had the occasion to see the lowest level. Mr. Chidambaram is here. Mr. Chidambaram, you are a very senior member. Imagine what must be going through my heart when your senior leader videographs a member parliament mocking the institution of chairman. As an individual, take on me. Don't take on my background as a farmer. Don't take it background as a community member. Institution of chairman has been ravaged, and that too by a political party that has gone for so long. A member parliament, senior one, videographing of another member. For what? I had suffered, I tell you. On Instagram, Mr. Chidambaram, your party put a video which was withdrawn later on. That was shame to me. You used Twitter, official handle of the spokesperson, to demean me, insult my background as a farmer, insult my position as a jat, insult my position as chairman. Sir, these are two serious issues. Please go back to your seat.